wand, a wooden wand intended for metal singing bowls. Particularly smaller bowls, or the Manipuri metal singing bowls, love to be rimmed with this type of wand. Not only this medium to semi-hard wood is ideal for activation of this type of bowls, it's very easy actually to create tension and then release this tension with some other bowl. Now, the interesting part of this wand is that not so long ago, this wand was actually a roller pin. Yes, a pastry utensil. So, the idea is that you go to your local kitchenware store, you purchase a bunch of rolling pins, and you cut them in half. Make sure that you sand the surface and this part here with a paper of grade 120 or more.